Okay, we are ready to start with the body roll, okay? Super important. This exercise super easy, super obvious, and is the best way to practice the first body roll, okay? Do step by step, follow me, and will be super easy, okay? Come on. Super easy. The idea is from basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do the same, but we try to find the diagonal basic, okay? Going forward and back in this diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. When we are here in this position, my left is forward, my right is back. Okay, the first idea is only change your weight. Super obvious, super important. Change. Super big, don't do this. Okay, we start to practice the exercise like this. When you're a student, when you practice in couple, the leading and the chain weight is minimum, and it's super difficult to feel. When you're a follower, you are a leader, it's difficult to lead, okay? For this one, when you practice, do super obvious when you change your weight. It's easier for you, for your instructor, find the mistake, and transmit this movement to the other person, okay? Big change, okay? The first one is the timing is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This step is a little bigger, and your feet will find the correct position super early, okay? And for you, will start to be natural to find the correct position of your feet, okay? If my chain is small, I can play with this feet and maybe find a wrong position. If my chain is big, usually my feet find the correct position straight, automatically, okay? Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is double time. Every single move used to time in the music, okay? 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. We find the diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change your weight. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Super important. Now, the next movement, check, super easy. Open my chest. Imagine one rope is pulling me here up. When I do this, it's not my shoulder, it's only open my chest and my back do close. And the opposite, when my chest is closed, my back open a little. You don't need force to match the position, okay? It's only the contraposition, chest, contraposition, chest, and contraposition, okay? Together, only this exercise. Remember, we're in diagonal, and we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ok, super easy. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Diagonal delante. Y 1, 2, 3, 4. Double time. Now. Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And open, close. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, see the exercise. When you have this, you do the change your weight with the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super important. You check when I open my chest, I go totally up and forward. When I close my chest, I start to go down a little, start to relax my knee, and my chest is closed. Super important, okay? Now, in this balanceo, this forward and back, every single time I go forward, I will think forward and up, okay? Because you check now, we'll draw something like an infinity, but the infinity is not in this position, and it's not in vertical position, it's in this diagonal, okay? Is infinity, 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 infinity. In our case is up, down, up, down. You check, we respect this circle up, and we have to respect this circle down. Now we think only on our chest and the circle forward and up, okay? What we do now? We do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I go forward, I will straight totally my legs in the last moment. Okay, it's a progression. And I think up, check. Up, I'm my limit. I change my weight. Relax. Bend a little my knee, the minimum. I go forward. One more time, I think. Up. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, down. Up, down. Forward, back. Forward, back, and basic. 1, 2. Be ready for the exercise complete. Diagonal. Y 1, 2. Now only change your weight double time. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up, up. Relax my knee. Up, relax. Up, relax. Up, relax, and basic. 1, 2. The first part of the exercise. Remember, you can practice this side too. You go with your right forward and you play here. Okay, now we are working double time. Now we have to work in single time. For example, if I do on my shoulder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, double time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Small, small, large. Small, small, large. This is bachata timing. Is small, small, large. Here the same. We will do 1, 2, 3, 4. If I say single time, we do 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, single, double time. Single, single, double time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chest. Open, close, open, large. Close, open, close, large. Open, close, open, large. Close, open, close, large. Don't do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is all connected. Large movement. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we have this new timing, single timing, one more time we come back to up, down. But remember now is fast, fast, large. Down, up, down. Up, down, up. Small, small, big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2. Complete exercise. Single time. We find diagonal. 1, 2. Only chest. Okay, only change your weight. Single time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we'll play music and I show you super easy how this exercise works. Okay, you have to practice every day. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. 1 second for the music. Basic. Maybe this song is a little fast, but it's okay. Diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chest. 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 Forward. Up. 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 Totally up. Forward. Basic. One more time the same. Go forward. Diagonal. Only balance. Only double time. Chest close. Put the chest up, up, down, up, down, up. One more. Basic. Now we focus because the song is fast. Diagonal. Go to the single time. Only change your weight single time. Small, small, big. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Chest. Small, small, big. Small, small, big. Small, small. Change your weight. Change, change, change. Change, change. Up. Down. Up and up. Down and down. Up, down, up. Down, up, down. 5, 6, 7 y 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. Básico. Directamente, double time. Chest. Up. Forward. Back. Básico. Directamente, single time, straight. Ondas. Up and up, down and down, up and up, down, basic. Okay, this is the evolution of the exercise. Remember, it's only practice. Change your song, fast, slow. Okay, but practice always in this order. Go straight to diagonal, chain. Okay, all these things. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.